Hey, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today, we're going to be learning how to groom the locks. The locks are to be groomed with a pair of shears, or what some people might call scissors. And what we do is we go down the whole shaft of the lock, and we just cut off the loose hairs. I know when I was in Africa, they go through there and they twist that hair from bottom to top, root to just the entire length of the hair. But that hair that you twist back in, it doesn't lock, it just stays soft and frizzy. So this is a good way to reduce and eliminate frizz. So as you see, I'm going through every single lock. More locks might need it than not, depending on the texture of the hair. This client's hair is very, very ropey and very thick and very kinky. So his hair really locks up mostly. And so I don't have a lot of new growth. Well, I don't have a lot of outgrowth on this particular section of hair. Watch and enjoy. Hey, please like, subscribe, share, comment, ring the bell to be seen over and over again. Tell a couple of friends, maybe about 5,500, or you might just have 5. But tell us where you're from as well. If you're from the continent, a city, a state, a municipality, just let us know where you're from. Yeah. Again, please like, subscribe, share, comment. Tell us where you're from. Continue enjoying the movie. It's no voices on this one. So again, this was a tutorial on grooming locks with the shears. Thank you for watching. This is his finished look. Please like, subscribe, share, and tell us where you're from. This is the finished look for the grooming. I shampooed him, tightened with the tool, and then I groomed him with the locks. Thanks for watching. Peace.